Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am coming with the unboxing, review and features of Panasonic cordless phone. The model of this cordless phone is KH-TG3711sx as you see in the video. Very nice looking phone and very nice looking box. Let's see their features. Before unboxing the box, this cordless phone operates on 2.4 GHz frequency. The ringer tone has equalizers which has three options. You can adjust voice, normal and travel. Incoming call varying function also available. 100 name and number on phone book you can store. Also polyphonic ringtone on handset with 30 melodies and 10 tones. 30 melodies and 10 tones. As ringers you can be adjusted. Also caller ID numbers 50 can be stored in the handset. The display of this handset is 1.8 inches LCD with illuminated display which has LED in it and also glowing keypad. This cordless function has two options, either put on table or wall mountable. Battery life of this cordless phone is up to 10 hour talk time, 6 days standby. Rechargeable battery. Two batteries installed in this cordless phone which can easily available after 2 years when it's not working. Also this cordless phone has hands-free speaker phone. That means if 2, 3 or 4 person want to talk to in the handset, they can easily do this. Also night mode is also available in which you can put their ring off. On the lower side of this box you can see the accessories of this cordless phone. This phone works at 5.5 volt DC. Adapter is also in this box. Simple line card, telephone line card and 2 batteries also are in this box. This cordless available in 2 colors as you see in the picture, black and white color. Okay friends, let's do unboxing of this cordless phone. This cordless phone has 100 to 120 meter range of handset. Also handset locator switch available on the base unit of this telephone. If you have any questions regarding this cordless phone, you can please comment me in the comment box. Also if you want this new phone or any other Panasonic cordless phone, please use the description link which I gave you. If you want this set from Amazon, please use my link in the description. Okay friends, let's do unboxing. Okay friends, now I am doing the unboxing of this lovely looking cordless phone. In this cordless phone box, the company has giving us a warranty card, a user manual and also the wheel. Very nice looking cordless phone as you see in the picture. Friends, in the starting, if no link between handset and base unit, you can just dial hash 130, then push the locator button for 5 seconds. Then put this handset on the base unit for 90 seconds so that this handset got registered with the base unit as you see in the picture. Base in registering. When this you buy new handset, please register handset with the base unit. All functions by either of answering machine, Panasonic type cordless phone or other model of Panasonic cordless phone, the registering process is the same. As I also give you the process hash 130, you can pause my video to see the registering process. Please do subscribe and like my channel if you like my video. Also, I gave you the Amazon link to purchase this set online from Amazon on discounted rates. Now this base is registering. Now when we press this handset is now connected with base unit. This handset is working properly. Now I can show you their ring melodies, which is very loud. First use initial setup, okay, then ringer setup, okay, then ringtone, okay, then press OK switch. Then you see beep sound, that means the ring got setting. Back switch. All functions are available in this set. Now look at volume can be adjusted from this set. This phone also has speakerphone function, which you see in the picture. Okay friends, if you have any question, you can comment me in the comment box. I can surely answer your questions. Okay friends, now I am ending my video. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.